Only with a sustainable power supply will the vision of a clean future become reality. Solar energy is the renewable energy source showing the most significant growth worldwide and lies at the heart of numerous research projects. The Fraunhofer Center for Silicon Photovoltaics CSP carries out applied research in the field of silicon wafers, the starting product for solar cells. In an ongoing project, scientists are looking for ways in which to optimize wafer production and quality assurance. Researchers are investigating whether there is a correlation between individual wafer manufacturing processes and the efficiency of the finished solar cell. For their investigations, they internally create the entire wafer manufacturing chain and use the latest measuring technology. An essential step is the final cleaning inspection of the wafers, for which the scientists decided to use the KRÜSS MSA, a contact angle measurement instrument. The first step of wafer production is to draw raw silicon at high temperatures from the melt to form a large, homogeneous crystal, the ingot, which is subsequently cut into a block shape. A diamond-coated steel wire then saws the block into up to 2,000 paper-thin slices, the raw wafers. A number of ultrasonic baths wash and rinse the wafers to remove fragments, silicon dust, and other contamination, along with any cleaning agents. Impurities on the wafers influence future surface etching and may affect the efficiency of the solar cells. This makes the subsequent final cleaning inspection of the wafers an indispensable part of quality assurance. First, the quality and thickness are optically checked using infrared and grayscale cameras in order to classify the wafers. The KRÜSS Mobile Surface Analyzer, MSA, then precisely checks wafers in line for cleanliness by measuring the contact angle. A robot system integrates the instrument into the process chain in order to analyze a large number of wafers quickly. To avoid damaging the sensitive surface during the measurement, the MSA hovers over the moving wafers at a distance of 200 micrometers and doses a drop of water, which is simultaneously detected by the instrument camera. The software Advance evaluates the drop image and accurately determines the contact angle on each individual wafer surface. The API, a programming interface in Advance, enables the remote start of the contact angle measurement as well as the automatic query of the results, and is thus ideally suited for an automated inline quality control. Advance gathers enormous amounts of data in order to find out what the contact angle says about the expected efficiency of the finished solar cell. In order to avoid any residue on the wafers after the measurement, the drop of water is blown off the surface. The wafers are now ready to be further processed into solar cells. The findings of the entire project promise to be groundbreaking for the industrial optimization and quality assurance of wafer production, with the aim of further increasing solar cell efficiency in the future.